Here we have a 40 horsepower D-Roy rotary screw air compressor. We got it hooked up to 460 volts, three-phase power. We're gonna run it and show you that it works.